Hey Kipsters, happy Monday. It's Miss Schultz here. I am so happy to see you. I miss you a ton, and I hope you had a great weekend. Today we're going to jump right into our new problem, and it is about our good friend Miss Smith. I can't wait to tell it to you and for you to help me solve it. So over the weekend I was talking to Miss Smith, and she was telling me she was so hungry in her house, and she couldn't figure out what she wanted to eat, so she looked all around, and finally she found some delicious apple slices. Miss Smith found 64 apple slices to eat in her house. And she decided that she was going to put them on plates. And she wanted to put 10 apple slices on each plate. And what she was wondering was, how many plates would she need to hold her apple slices? Now let's read the problem together. We're going to read it twice, and then you are going to tell it to me. Ms. Smith has 64 apple slices. She wants to put 10 apple slices on each plate. How many plates will she need? Let's read it one more time. Ms. Smith has 64 apple slices. She wants to put 10 apple slices on each plate. How many plates will she need? It's about to be your turn to tell it to me. Let me cover it back up and see who was really listening. All right, Kipsters, your turn. Tell it to me. Wow, nice job. I can tell you were really listening to our story. Before we get started and go to solve, I have a question for you. Do you think that Miss Smith will need more or less than 64 plates? Let me ask you that question again. Do you think Miss Smith will need more or less than 64 plates? Get ready. You're going to show me on your hands. Show. Some friends saying more and some saying less. I really don't know. You are going to go solve this problem and find out for yourself. Today I'm only going to show you one strategy. So I want you to do your best to solve this problem and then get ready to help me solve using just one special strategy. As always, pencil and paper should be out. You're showing your work, labeling all the parts of your problem, and writing a number sentence to match your thinking. I'm going to take this off. We'll start the timer for 4 minutes, and you guys can get started solving. All right, Kipsters, get ready. 4 minutes. Go ahead and get started. Great job, Kipsters. Keep up the good work. Don't forget to label all the parts of your drawing. Don't forget a number sentence. A little over a minute left. Get ready to help me solve. Great job, Kipsters. 1 minute left. All right, kiddos, great job. So like I said, I'm only going to show you one strategy today. I'm going to show it first with the cubes and then how I would draw it on the paper. As I go, I want you to give me a big brain match if you did something similar. Give me a thumbs up if you agree, and make sure that you are really thinking about how we're solving this problem. So I know that Miss Smith has 64 apple slices in total. What she wants to do is she wants to put 10 on each plate. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to get out 64 apple slices, and then I'm going to put them into groups of 10, and I'm going to see how many plates I need. So let's start by getting out 64. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 64 apple slices. So what I need to do is I need to put them in groups of 10 and see how many plates I need. Now, luckily, my sacks are already in groups of 10, so that's really easy. So I'm just going to look at each one and I say each group of 10 is 1 plate. So let's figure out how many plates we need. This group of 10 means I need 1 plate. Here's another group of 10 apples. That's a second plate. Here's a third group of apples. I need a third plate. Here's a fourth group of apples. I need a fourth plate. Fifth group of apples, that's a fifth plate. Sixth group of apples, that's a sixth plate. But now I have these 4 apple slices. Now, I know I don't have another 10, but do these 4 apple slices still need a plate? Well, what do you think? Should I just put them on the floor? No, I'm not going to do that. I still need a plate for them. So even though I don't have a full group of 10, I do still need a plate. Now I'm going to draw this on my paper, and we'll see what it looks like. So, we said that each group of 10 is its own plate of apples. So, here's a group of 10. I'm going to draw a circle to show a plate. And I'm going to write I'm going to draw 10 apple slices in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Here's another group of 10. That's a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should probably keep track as I go. This was 10 apple slices, and another 10 means I'm already at 20. Okay. The third group of 10. Let's draw another plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10 means I'm at 30. Here's a fourth group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That meant I was at 40. Here's another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10 means I'm at 50. One more group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That got me to 60. Now, we said I had 4 left. Am I going to just put them on the floor? No, I still need a plate for them. So I'm going to make sure I draw one more plate. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4, because there were only 4 apple slices left. Then on the top, I'm going to write 64 because that's how many I had in total. Okay, well, now we need to count up how many plates we have. Let's do that. This is plate number 1. This is plate number 2. This is plate number 3. This is plate number 4. Plate number 5. Plate number 6. And even though it's not full, did I still need this plate? You're right, I did. So this is plate number 7. Wow. How many plates did I need? You've got it. I needed 7 plates for my apples. Now I need to write a number sentence to show how I solved this. So I see that I have groups of 10, and I added them up. So I'm going to write an addition number sentence. Let's go ahead and do that. So I see 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Let's make sure that was 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, and then I had to add a 4. Plus 4 equals, what was my total number of apples? 64. Good job. All right, Kipsters. That was definitely a new way to solve that problem. We took our total and we split it up into groups to see how many of something we needed. You did a great job. I'm going to put my cubes down, take my sheet down, and I will give you one more problem to solve on your own. Before I take this down, really think about how we solve this problem so that you're ready to solve this next problem in a very similar way to this. My cubes. All right, you ready for this new problem? I think you are. All right, here is your independent problem. Kaylani had 58 crayons. She wants to put 6 crayons in each bag. How many bags will she need? I'm going to leave this up for you. You are going to solve it on your own. You can pause so that you can see the problem. And I can't wait to give you the answer to this problem tomorrow when we do CGI. Bye, Kipsters. Great work today.